Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the max frame rate in Shift at Midnight. Let's begin by opening Settings. In Settings, make sure you go to the Video tab. In the Video tab, look for Frame Limit. Currently it is set to Unlimited. You can select either Unlimited 30 FPS, 44 FPS, 60 FPS, 90 FPS, 120 FPS or 144 FPS, 165 FPS or 240 FPS. I will select, I don't know, 60, let's say. And now, well, I'm limited to the max of 60 frames per second. This is useful if you experience any noticeable drops in frame rate and you wish for a smoother gameplay experience. For example, if you achieve stable 60, then set it to 60. If it's not stable for you, well, lower it. Lower the max FPS. You can survive playing on lower FPS if you don't notice any frame drops. But that's my personal opinion. You do you. After you make your choice right here, simply press the back button. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.